Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I did share what I got for my birthday with you guys, but I did say I have a nice surprise. I did get another vanity to add to my beauty room, and I really want to share with you guys what I decided to get. So I will show you guys what I have currently. Alright guys, I have quite a bit of makeup, but I tried to put my lip glosses in my clear case. I got this from Nordstrom. And then also, as you can see, I have beauty products lined up at the top. It does have like a 3-tier. I'll show you guys really quick. But it does have 1, 2, and then this will be like the 3rd tier. And as you can see, I have my makeup brushes and some YSL Libre. And then some YSL Libre, and then my Caroline Herrera Good Girl. But I put my beauty brushes and things like that back there. And then for skincare, I will show you guys. I did mix my skincare and perfume, obviously, because this is a great space to keep your products. So I have some Kylie. I love Kylie. Anything Kylie Jenner. I am a supporter. And then, like I said, this clear case, it does attract quite a bit dust, but I do put my foundations, my NARS, like in the compartments. And then also I have some Anastasia Dip Brow and things like that. My powders. But I just absolutely love my space. And I'm actually going to start recording a TikTok right now. So yeah, bye. I'll see you guys in the next one.
In any of the steps until you're the first one, love the toner. Thank you guys for this quick response.
I always say this, like,
very calming. It's not like a really bright, like there's a colors, but also infuse hydration all at the same time. And because you're infusing hydration, you never have to worry about irritation or any side effects or feeling like your skin is too tight or pulled.